Hello, good day from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will be showcasing how you can access Gemini or how to use Gemini using different URLs. So first of all, you can go to the URL that is gmail.com to access the Gemini. Go to the gmail.com and on the upper right corner, you will find the Gemini logo. Let's wait and see. On the upper right corner, the Gemini logo appears. Or what you can do is simply compose the email and from here access the help me write feature, that is the pencil sign, and simply say draft an email for leave tomorrow due to bad weather. So this will generate an email which will be using Gemini generative AI technology at the backend. The email is drafted. You can simply write the email address and send it by clicking the send button. This is one of the method. The other method is you go to the specific service from where you want to use the Gemini. Let's say you want to go to docs. Click on docs.google.com. Click the blank document and here also you will be able to access Gemini. See, the Gemini pop-up has appeared right in Gemini and you can say draft slides for Google Workspace presentation and simply click on the arrow button for it to generate the material. The other method is you can always go to the upper right corner and take the Ask Gemini option. While this is generating a presentation for us, okay, the presentation seems to be ready. Well, this is how the presentation looks like, and we can always have this copied to Google Slides. For that, you will have to go to the new tab, click on the new tab, 9 dots, and then click on Slides. From here also you can generate the presentation by clicking over here and then asking the same prompt. Press the enter key. You can always give these, check out the options which are most suitable to you, and it will draft out an Gemini based presentation within few seconds. So I have shown you three methods. One is through Gmail, then is through Docs, and then is through Google Slides. Also you can access Gemini using Drive. That is, go to the Drive folder and from here also you can access Gemini. Then the other method is you go here and click on Vids, that is video generation tool. From here you can click on the square or landscape, whichever mode you want to select. Just click AI video and from here you can give your persona and try and test it out the features yourself. You can also generate an AI based video from here. Let me showcase how you can give a prompt. Give me a minute. Okay, okay. Here it is. You need to click on this button, show gallery, and then click on create. And then describe your video, add avatar as per your choice, and then you can click the generate button and then drag drop to the canvas. Okay, so I have shown you now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methods. Now there is also another method, that is you type the URL gemini.google.com. I repeat, you can type gemini.google.com to access Gemini. There is a possibility that you might not find the Gemini button as shown over here under various tools on your console, But for that, you can do one thing. You can go to one.google.com and from here subscribe for the higher plan, that is Gemini AI plans. Click on AI and then you will be able to purchase AI plans. Well, anyhow, so now that you have purchased the Gemini plan, you can access Gemini under these various tools. If you are not accessing Gemini through various tools, it will only appear by default under the Gmail pencil button and other options will not be visible. So, or what you can do is go to gemini.google.com, click the new chat button, and from here you can have the new chat initiated. Let's say create an essay on Independence Day. It should be write an essay, but even this works. Okay. The other way is to create an image. To create an image, click on the plus sign and then as per your choice, select image or video option. Canvas option is used for creating a website and create music option is used for creating music. Try out these options by yourself. Remember to write create image when creating an image, create video and create canvas and so on. Create a HTML, CSS, JavaScript page for canvas. So let me showcase just one example, quick example, create an image. Though I have selected an image over here, I still should write create an image of sunrise. Okay, spelling mistake. But still it works and it will generate an image within few seconds. Here it is. You can always reprompt it and redesign. You can generate up to 3 images by default and 3 videos under gemini.google.com. Video length is 10 seconds and images is static. Okay, now that I have shown you gemini.google.com, now comes the most important and complex usage part, that is aistudio.google.com. Again, I repeat, it is aistudio.google.com. Under this URL, you will be able to create websites, apps, mobile applications, and can be built with Google Cloud Billing. So be careful while using this tool, and always you can go to the aistudio.google.com and from here select new app. Once you select this option, you can simply select build an Android app or you can give it a prompt, create a website of tax professional. Click the build button and it will automatically generate the website that will be hosted on Google. That also you can get it under the custom URL of your website. In case any information is required, you can always get in touch with me. Click on publish and so on, the website will be published. Well, so I have shown you many methods. The most unique ones are to access it through gemini.google.com, then is aistudio.google.com. Apart from these two, gmail.com, and then comes these tools, that is editors and video generation tool. For these to appear with Gemini option, you need to purchase and plan through one.google.com so that Gemini option appear under these tools as well. Otherwise, by default, it will not appear under these tools. You can always downgrade and see all other options as per your choice. There are various plans available, monthly subscription, quarterly, annually, and so on. You can change and cancel as per your flexibility. Have a good day. Bye-bye.